Hey everybody, welcome back. Here's another video for you. Today we're talking about the K04 bolt-on externally gated turbo, which we supply as a complete kit. Now, before we go into the actual product itself, let's talk history. Now, we started upgrading these K03, K04 turbochargers back in 2007. That is actually, in fact, our very first design billet compressor, which I designed and started CNC machining. At that time, I had a company CNC machine them for me, and they were based out of Taiwan. And we were the first to introduce hybrid turbochargers in South Africa back in 2007 using this design of ours. It was our own CAD design, and we started doing development on hybrid turbochargers back then. Now, once we upgraded these K03 and K04 turbochargers back in the day, which were obviously your Golf5, Golf6 GTI, Audi S3s, etc., we started seeing the failure points. We started seeing what the results were and where the turbochargers started failing, what boost pressures they started failing, what boost pressures caused the bearing systems to fail, how the bearing systems failed, the different mods and the supporting components on those turbochargers, or should I say vehicles, versus other vehicle builds without those same supporting mods had a different effect on the bearing systems, etc., etc. So we collected all this data over the years and we improved and refined our hybrid upgrades. But one of the things that remained constant was the increase in thermal loads and demand on the turbine housing at the collector. The turbine housing, or should I say manifold turbine housing assembly, where the forerunners come together at the top of the manifold, started cracking. And what we did was we designed a K04, stock standard K04 replacement turbocharger, OEM replacement with a thicker wall. And we started selling those. And what we also started doing was upgrading those with our hybrid compressors and some other mods that we did to the turbine wheels. And we found a reliable setup, regardless of the boost pressure you ran, obviously inside of realistic and reasonable bounds. And we started developing our product from there. Over the last probably 8 years now, we've had a bolt-on ball bearing turbo, 500 horsepower capable, 100% ball bearing, bolt-on, reliable setup for these K04 replacement applications, K04-64. And that has had our thicker wall and enlarged runners using the standard original AR turbine housing. And it's worked very, very well for us. It's based off of our G28R rotating assembly. And what we've now done is we've upgraded to the next level, which we prefer using an external gate, which we've actually gone and developed our own as well. And this specific setup, I'll talk a little bit about some of the features now, and then we'll go into the actual product and you can see the product yourself. So some of the key features are our Gen 2 aerodynamic rotating assemblies, which are, in this specific case, is an 880 horsepower capable rotating assembly in our G30 range. So we're very well known in South Africa for our G3077, G3082 ball bearing universal turbochargers, which come with either a 63 turbine housing, AR62 turbine housing, T3 in, V-band out, or V-band in, V-band out. Right, so these specific turbos are very well known here. They're race proven. They are the best bang for your buck. It outspools and outperforms a Garrett counterpart, a G30-770 or a G30-900. And they're much more reliable. They're serviceable. They're fully repairable. We build them in-house from parts. So based off of the same recipe, we build these K04 turbochargers in-house. So we've partnered up with companies that we've used, foundries abroad, that have supplied us with our castings, raw castings, over the last probably 9 or 10 years now. And we have these raw castings come in. We do the final machining, final profiling. We do the assembly. We do the VSR balancing. We do the flow calibration. And we do the QC check. So all the internal components of this specific turbocharger and kit has our fingerprints on it. At the same time, all of these turbocharger kits are tested on our own vehicles. We don't just import something and sell it and hope for the best. These products are installed on our own vehicles, these very same products, tested, tuned. So at any point in time, if you guys have any troubleshooting questions, installation issues, or whatever the case is, even tuning challenges, we are able to help you guys from the start to the finish. Now, this specific unit runs an upgraded runner on the manifold section of the manifold turbine housing casting, which is substantially larger than the standard unit. We've got a very thick wall so it can handle high thermal loads, but we've also gone and taken our proven G3077, G3082 family AR63 turbine housing and used that volute and cast it onto this manifold profile with our wastegate, our external wastegate port, which basically sits on the front of the manifold section of this assembly, and our ported shroud compressor housing with a couple of other things as well. So there's a number of great features, including your original OEM style and thread fitting on the bearing housing. So you do not have to change your oil feed line. You use your stock standard OEM oil feed line that came with your original turbocharger, whether it's K03 or K04, and that will bolt straight into our turbocharger's bearing housing. So we've gone to that length to make this as bolt-on as possible. Now, let's go into the actual product. Let's show you the product and go through what's included in the box. Right guys, so this is pretty much what you get in the box. As you open the box, you'll see you've got your V-band flanges and clamps. This is obviously for your elbow. There's a 90-degree elbow that comes with this kit that goes from your manifold portion of the assembly to your wastegate. So that's what that is. We have a blow-off valve DV blank-off plate, which is CNC machined from a billet, 6061 aluminium. And it's got nitrile O-rings, which you can either use or not use. You can also either choose to use this or the billet blow-off valve, which comes with the kit as well. You have a 102mm 4-inch 90-degree silicone hose. This basically goes from the compressor housing inlet to your existing cold air intake. If you don't have a CAI, then you're going to have to make one up. That's the only thing that you're going to have to make up. Next is obviously all of your gaskets, your studs, etc. that you need for exhaust manifold inlet, obviously, and your downpipe outlet on the flange face of the turbine housing. And inside of the box, you're going to see the next component, which is going to be another silicone hose, which basically goes from your outlet of the compressor housing to your existing cooler setup. Next is the turbo itself. Right guys, first things first, we have our Gen 2 rotating assembly, our new aerodynamic design compressor with ported shroud. The ported shroud goes all the way through into the diverter valve port as well. It has got your enlarged runners. These runners are substantially larger than your standard unit. The wall thickness has been increased. You've got support tabs that are cast across the top, and you have your external gate port sitting in the front. Nice thing about this, as I mentioned, is you've got your original oil feed fitting. So your original OEM VW or Audi oil feed line can be reused. We give you the fitting with all of the copper washers, so that's 100% bolt-on. And then you'll see our Gen 2 turbine wheel, which is from our 30 family, inside over here as well. Now, nice thing about this setup is it's robust, it's proven, it's reliable, it'll spool fast, but it's capable of 880 horsepower. So it's the best bang for the buck, 100% bolt-on setup that you can get on the market for a K04 replacement type application. Right guys, the next component that is included in this kit is a billet blow-off valve, which you can choose to use together with a boost control solenoid, the mounting hardware, hose, and different spring rates. And either you use that, or you can put the diverter delete, the blanking plate, or you can use the standard diverter valve you have from your original Borg-Warner K03 or K04 turbocharger as well. That's totally up to you. Next, we have the wastegate. This is a TurboDirect wastegate. Yes, it looks like a Garrett. Yes, it's got the same naming profile as the Garrett, but it is not a copy of the Garrett. There are specific changes done to this where we feel that the Garrett was lacking. For customers that have already got a Garrett wastegate installed, that have got limited geography under the hood, that wanted a bolt-on replacement, we've gone and made some changes to the design and improved on the Garrett product and made it 100% bolt-on. So that is the gate that you're going to be getting together with all of the springs included, as well as your V-band flanges, V-band clamps, and all of your pneumatic and water lines as well. And this is also part of the kit that you get with this for the EA888.1 and .2 upgraded bolt-on setup. So it's quite a substantial kit. It's quite a complete kit, and it has a bunch of really top-end components which are proven, and we think you guys are going to love this specific product. Right guys, so that's pretty much the bolt-on K04 setup. It's a nice kit. It's a nice range of components that we've put together. And remember, if you have one of our bolt-on intercooler kits that we already have on the market for these turbos, the outlet from the compressor housing with that silicone hose that's included in this kit will be compatible. So that makes it a little bit easier for you guys. The only thing that needs to be done is adapt a cold air intake to the silicone feed hose, which basically goes to the compressor housing inlet. If you need a cold air induction made up, let us know. We've partnered with Leonard from S Performance. He does great fabrication work, and he will be able to give you guys whatever it is that you need, whether it's a downpipe or a full exhaust, a cold air intake, whatever it is. He's one of our circle, and he's approved and accredited by us. He has top quality fabrication and workmanship, as well as affordability as well. His prices are really good. His service is absolutely fantastic, and he's done many of these together with our previous bolt-on kits as well. So we have options for a complete turnkey solution, and the next video we're going to be making on this specific component is us installing this on our Scirocco. You've seen the video where we installed our DSG bolt-on clutch upgrades. That is working 100%. Now, the next step is to take the same project car, the Scirocco, to S. He will be removing the turbocharger that's on there right now, and we're going to be replacing it with our bolt-on kit. And then from there, we're going to be going to another one of our circle to do the tuning. We have our own hub dyno at TurboDirect. We are able to do our own tuning as well, especially on these older models. We're just going to the stock ECU using Winol's and our own chip tuning files. I mean, it's really easy. We are able to do the tuning, the fabrication, the installation through the circle of all of the companies that we use and that are accredited and trained by TurboDirect in South Africa. And at the end of the day, we have a turnkey solution regardless of where you are geographically in South Africa as well. So look out for that video. I think you guys are going to love it. It's going to be a nice, fast spooling, streetable setup that's going to make more than enough power, especially on the front wheel drives. There's not much traction anyway, but look out for that next video where we do the installation and the tuning. But for now, like, subscribe, let us know what you think about this product and this review. Any questions or any queries you have, let us know in the comments down below. Catch you in the next one.